Okay, let's focus. নাফিস অ্যাটেনশন কোন দিকে? হোমওয়ার্ক যারা করি নাই তাদের কি অবস্থা? দু একজনের খাতা তো ব্ল্যাঙ্ক দেখতে পাচ্ছি নাকি? মাইকেল মধুসূদন দত্ত ওয়াজ আ সেলিব্রেটেড 19th century বাঙালি পোয়েট এন্ড ড্রামাটিস্ট। কেমন ছিল সে? সেলিব্রেটেড মানে ফেমাস। 19th century বাঙালি পোয়েট এন্ড ড্রামাটিস্ট, দুইটা কাজ ছিল তার, কবি এবং নাটক। হি ওয়াজ বর্ন ইন সাগরদারি অন দ্য ব্যাংক অফ দ্য কপোতাক্ষ রিভার, আ ভিলেজ ইন কেশবপুর উপজেলা আন্ডার যশোর ডিস্ট্রিক্ট। বেশ কিছু ইনফরমেশন আছে, জেলা আছে, উপজেলা আছে, ভিলেজ আছে, নদীর নাম আছে কপোতাক্ষ। এই নদীর না সাইডে যে জায়গা, সেই জায়গার নাম আছে সাগরদারি। From an early age, Michael aspired to be an Englishman in form and manner. Though he was born in a sophisticated Hindu family, he converted to Christianity as a young man, much to the ire of his family, and adopted the first name Michael. কি হলো, উনি হিন্দু সন্তান ছিল, পরবর্তীতে খ্রিস্টিয়ানিটিতে কনভার্টেড হয়েছেন অল্প বয়সেই, তার ফ্যামিলির অনিচ্ছা সত্ত্বেও। এরপর নামের সাথে মাইকেল যোগ করেছেন। In his childhood, he was recognized by his teachers as a precious child. তার মানে বেশ মেরিটোরিয়াস ছিল। With a precious, with a gift of literary talent, যার সাহিত্য বিষয়ক ট্যালেন্ট ছিল, তার মানে লেখালেখি ভালো পারবে। His early exposure to English education and European literature at home, কোথায় পড়ালেখা হয়েছে? বাসায়। His college inspired him to imitate the English in taste, manners and intellect. কলেজ, হিজ কলেজ, তার মানে এই শিক্ষাটা মেইনলি সে পেয়েছে কলেজ থেকে, রাইট? Since his adolescence, he started believing that he was born on the wrong side of the planet and that his society was unable to appreciate his skill, talent. এখানে আবার কি হলো দেখো, সে ভাবছে তার নিজের ট্যালেন্ট সম্পর্কে, সে নিজে বিশ্বাস করা শুরু করছে যে আমি ওয়ার্ল্ডের ভুল সাইডে জন্মগ্রহণ করছি, আমার জন্মগ্রহণ করা উচিত ছিল ইংল্যান্ডে, ইউরোপে। কারণ আমার যে ট্যালেন্ট আছে ইংরেজিতে লেখালেখি, এটা আমার দেশের মানুষজন অ্যাপ্রিসিয়েট করবে না, আমার লেখালেখি অ্যাপ্রিসিয়েট করবে ইউরোপিয়ানরা, ব্রিটিশরা। তাহলে আমার জন্ম হওয়া উচিত ছিল ওই জায়গায়, এটা তার বিশ্বাস। He also believed that the wisest would be more receptive to his creative genius. সে ভাবছে যারা যত বেশি জ্ঞানী, দ্য ওয়েস্ট, পশ্চিমারা, তারা তাকে বেশি রিসিভ করবে। মধুসূদন ওয়াজ অ্যান আর্ডেন্ট ফলোয়ার অফ দ্য ফেমাস ইংলিশ পোয়েট লর্ড বাইরন। কার ফলোয়ার ছিল? লর্ড বাইরনের। কেমন ফলোয়ার ছিল? প্যাশনেট, আর্ডেন্ট। So after adopting Christianity, he went to Europe and started composing poems and plays in English. এবার সে ইংরেজিতে লেখালেখি শুরু করলো ইউরোপে গিয়ে। They showed his higher level of intellectual ability. এই লেখাগুলো showed his higher level of intellectual ability. তার intellectual ability আছে, এটা খুবই ভালো। However, he failed to gain the right appreciation. কিন্তু ব্রিটিশদের কোনো অ্যাপ্রিসিয়েশন সে পেল না। To his utter frustration, সে হতাশা নিয়ে, দুরন্ত হতাশা নিয়ে, he found that, সে কি পেল? He was not esteemed as a native writer of English literature. ইংরেজি তার লেখাগুলো যারা পড়ছে তারা কেউই তাকে ইংলিশের নেটিভ রাইটার হিসেবে মর্যাদা দিচ্ছে না। উড়ে এসে জুড়ে বসা টাইপের মর্যাদা পাচ্ছে, কিন্তু নেটিভ রাইটার হিসেবে যে সম্মান সেটা নাই। আউট অফ হিজ ফ্রাস্ট্রেশন, এই হতাশা থেকে, হি কম্পোজড আ সনেট ইন বাংলা কপোতাক্ষ নামে, হুইচ আর্নড হিম হিউজ রেপুটেশন ইন বাংলা। দুঃখ হতাশা থেকে সে একটা সনেট লিখলো বাংলায়, নাম হলো কপোতাক্ষ নদ। এইটা তাকে ব্যাপক খ্যাতি এনে দিল। গ্রাজুয়ালি হি কুড রিয়েলাইজ দ্যাট হিজ ট্রু আইডেন্টিটি লে ইন বেঙ্গল। পরবর্তীতে সে আসলে বুঝতে পারলো যে তার সত্যিকারের পরিচয়টা বাংলাতেই আছে। and he was a sojourner in Europe, এবং ইউরোপে যা শুধু সে একজন টুরিস্টের মতো একাকিত্ব জীবনযাপন করে বেড়াচ্ছে, যেখানে তার কোনো সম্মান নাই। Afterwards, he regretted his fascination for England and the West. ইংল্যান্ড এবং এই পশ্চিমা বিশ্বের প্রতি তার যে অত্যধিক আকর্ষণ, এই আকর্ষণের জন্য তিনি অনুশোচনা করেছেন যে এটা আমার হওয়া উচিত হয়নি। He came back to his Bengal. সে তার প্রিয় বাংলায় ফিরে এসেছে, and devoted himself to Bangla literature, এবং বাংলা সাহিত্য লেখায় নিজেকে আত্মনিয়োগ করেছে। From this period, এরপর থেকে, he has written the first বাংলা epic, মেঘনাদ বধ কাব্য। তো উনার আগে কেউ বাংলা মহাকাব্য লেখে নাই, সেই প্রথম বাংলা মহাকাব্য মেঘনাদ বধ উনি লিখেছেন। ওনার ট্যালেন্ট ছিল, এটা সত্য, কিন্তু কোনো মানুষ যদি তার প্রিয় মাতৃভূমিকে ভুলে যায়, মাতৃভূমিরও উচিত প্রতিশোধ নেওয়া, ঠিক না? কিন্তু মা তো মা, মাদারল্যান্ড তো মা, মা তো মা, মা সন্তানের সব ভুল ক্ষমা করে দেয়। তাই মাইকেল মধুসূদন দত্ত আজও আমাদের বাংলা সাহিত্যে সম্মানিত। Michael Madhusudan Datta was frustrated because of his not being able to failure to get right appreciation from the Bengalis. এটা হবে because of his not being evaluated properly by the West. Option 4. His teachers appreciated his literary talents in childhood. College na childhood. Dash attracted Michael in his college life. The European taste, manners and intellect. এগুলো না? কেন লেখালেখি গুলো টেস্টের সাথে রিলেটেড না? Dash indicates Michael's higher level of intellectual ability. His literary work. এখানে early হলে ভালো হতো। A precious child with a gift of literary talent. Here the expression means a child with outstanding literary talent. He converted to Christianity as a young man, much to the ire of his family. Here the word ire means anger. Option 3. The main purpose of the author of this passage is one, to sketch Michael's life. ওই লাইফের জন্ম মৃত্যু কিছুই তো তেমন স্পষ্ট করে নেই। To show Michael's migration নিয়ে তো তেমন কিছু বলে না, হালকা একটু গেছে আর হতাশ হয়েছে। To state Michael's literary talent, maybe. Option 3 টা হলো আনসার। কপোতাক্ষ not is a the word aspire means wish. The word adopt means to accept something new. What type of talent did the teachers recognize in Madhusudan? Literary. His days in Europe were full of hardship. When did Madhusudan start to believe that his birth was not in the right place? Since his childhood. The word ardent means showing strong feelings. Passionate holo etar synonym. The name of the first Bangla epic is Meghnad Bodh Kabya. Madhusudan was a sojourner in Europe. The line means he lived in Europe for a short period. Datta was rightly appreciated by his native country. Michael Madhusudan Datta expressed sorrow because of his attraction, his fascination for England and the West. Datta's literary work in English proved his great intellectual power. কেন হবে? Which of the following indicates Michael's higher level of intellectual ability best? His poet has দুইটা sector, poems and drama. He regretted his dash for English society, fascination. Michael wanted to vilify dash. Vilify past memory. To vilify means to destroy. Michael had a deep-rooted vision to be a Englishman. হবে কেন? And হবে. He diverted to Christianity because he wants To be evaluated, to represent, to ensure the acceptability in European literature. Option 3. Datta was dash of sonnet in Bangla literature. Datta was only composer, follower, initiator of poet. Bangla literature only initiator ছিল. Option 2. ওনার আগে কেউ সনেট লিখেন নাই। What does the expression "he was born on the wrong side of the planet" mean? Madhusudan's birth in a Hindu family was not right. His literary talent was not evaluated in Europe. He ought to be born in Europe for his genius. Option 3. His writings of Madhusudan Datta were mostly inspired by Byron. Meghnad Badh Kabya is an epic. His writings of a sonnet, Kapodakha Nath, gave him much reputation. Michael Madhusudan Datta was dash. কি ছিল মুশফিক, কিছু বলে না তো? A favorite poet and playwright. Meghnad Badh Kabya is the dash epic in Bangla literature. First, Lord Byron was dash, a renowned English poet. Why did Madhusudan Datta travel to Europe? To compose English poetry, to stay with his native people, to pursue his literary career. Option 2. The word devoted means dedicated. Appreciation in the 4th paragraph could be best replaced by admiration. What is the closest meaning of imitate? To copy. The word sojourner means a temporary resident. The word intellect stands for merit. How was the relationship of Michael Madhusudan Datta with Lord Byron? বাইরনের সাথে তার কি সম্পর্ক ছিল? সে বাইরনকে ফলো করত, ইন্টিমেট তো না। আ পারফর্মটরি রিলেশনশিপ, সে বাইরনের মতো পারফর্ম করার চেষ্টা করেছিল। হি হ্যাড আ ড্যাশ বেন্ট অফ মাইন্ড, লিটারেরি বেন্ট অফ মাইন্ড। Which of the following has the closest meaning of the word celebrated? Celebrated means famous. Michael got recognition in Bangla literature. His practice of English literature gave him nothing but frustration. The word reputation refers to fame. The closest meaning of the word sophisticated is upper class. A sojourner is a person who stays at a place temporarily. Who was Michael Madhusudan Datta? Michael Madhusudan Datta was a 19th century poet and dramatist in Bangla literature. What was the ambition of Michael in early age? To become like the English in taste, manner, and literature. Why did Michael start writing in Bangla? Because he didn't get due appreciation from the West. When did Michael compose Kapodakha Nath? After he became a failure in getting proper appreciation by writing English literature. Why did Michael realize he was a sojourner in Europe? Because he didn't get due appreciation. In what manner did Madhusudan want to grow himself like an Englishman? Which religion? Did answer Christian. Why did his Christianity will answer? Why did his college inspire him to imitate the English in taste, manners, and intellect? Because they found him talent in literary bent. Which sectors of English literature reflected his intellectual ability? Poems and drama. What did Madhusudan realize after coming back to Bengal? He realized that his true appreciation and intelligence lie in Bangla. Why was Madhusudan frustrated as a writer of English literature? Because he didn't get due appreciation. Why did Michael aspire from his early life to become an Englishman? Do you think Michael Madhusudan Datta was a successful writer? I partially think that Michael Madhusudan Datta was a successful writer. He was not a successful writer in English literature. Later on, when he started writing in Bangla, he became a successful writer. Gradually, he could realize that his true identity lies here in this Bangla, and he was a sojourner in Europe, explaining 2 or 3 sentences. When Michael Madhusudan did not get due appreciation from the West, he became frustrated and later on started writing in Bangla. He first wrote the poem Kapotaksha Nath, which was a sonnet in Bangla and got huge reputation. Thus, he realized that his true identity lies here in this Bangla and was a sojourner in Europe. How was Michael's higher level of intellectual ability exposed? Michael's higher level of intellectual ability was exposed through his writing of the epic. Why did he return to his homeland? He returned to his homeland because felt the he felt that his true self lay in his motherland. Why did Madhusudan fail to gain the right appreciation? Because he was a sojourner there, because he was not a native writer of English. Why did Datta used to believe he was born on the wrong side of the planet? He used to believe he was born on the wrong side of the planet because he thought himself to be an Englishman from his very boyhood, and he thought that his talent lay in English literature. Do you support Michael's fascination for English literature? I wholeheartedly disagree with the statement that Michael's fascination for English literature was right. Rather, he should have grown fascination for Bangla literature from his childhood. Since his adolescence, he started believing that he was born on the wrong side of the planet. Express your views regarding his statement. Since his adolescence, he started believing that he was born on the wrong side of the planet. He thought that he would be an Englishman and he would write poems and dramas in English and would get a proper appreciation from the West, but he failed to do so. Do you support that he was an uncommon talent? Michael Madhusudan Datta was an uncommon talent. I wholeheartedly support the statement because he is the first Bangla writer to write sonnet and epic. No one else has ever written epic and sonnet in Bangla literature. That is why he was an uncommon talent. Do you support Michael's attitude that his society was unable to appreciate his intellect? I do not. I do not support. I do not support that Michael. I do not support Michael's attitude that his society was unable to appreciate his talent, intellect, because later on, when he started writing in Bangla, his society duly appreciated his writing. Yeah, why are Michael's writings evaluated by the West? The West did not evaluate Michael's writings properly. They rather evaluated Michael's writing as a writing by a foreigner or as a writing by a Bangladeshi or Indian. His society was unable to appreciate his intellect. What kind of child was he in his infancy? A very precious child. When did Michael Madhusudan Datta came back to Bengal after his realization? After his realization that he will not get proper appreciation from the West. What was the ambition of Madhusudan Datta? The ambition of Madhusudan Datta was to become an Englishman. What experience did he get while staying in the West? While staying in the West, he got a very disappointing experience. The West did not appreciate his talent. How did he gain reputation at last? At last, he got reputation by writing in Bangla. From the childhood, Michael's higher level of intellectual ability was exposed. He was treated as a precious child with a gift of literary talent by his teachers. But he had the belief that his society might not be able to appreciate or evaluate his intellect. So he adopted Christianity, went to Europe, and started writing poetry and drama almost entirely in English. Though he failed to gain the right appreciation from the West, he gained huge reputation in Bangla, composing the sonnet Kapodakho. No, Argud of it. Michael Madhusudan Datta was a great Bengali poet and dramatist. He was born in a village on the bank of the Kapodakho River. From his childhood, he desired to be an Englishman. He always tried to dash the English dash. সে তো ভয় ছিল। He always tried to imitate the English culture. So he adopted Christianity. Then he went to Europe and began to write drama and poems and drama, literature in English. He dash appreciation from English society. He lacked expected দেওয়া যাবে, but he could not gain appreciation. Then he came back to Bengal. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15 October 1931 at the South Indian state of Tamil Nadu and received honorary doctorates from about 30 universities globally. কি হয়েছে কতগুলো ইউনিভার্সিটি থেকে? 30টা অনারারি ডক্টরেটস। সম্মানজনক, এটা থিসিস করে না, লেখাপড়া করে না, সম্মান হিসেবে। In the year 1981, the government of India presented him the nation's highest civilian honor, the Padma Bhushan, and then again, two presidents, Sarvepalli Ali, Radhakrishnan, and Zakir Hussain, to have received the Bharat Ratna before being appointed to the highest office in India. Read on about the life history of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who is also the first scientist and bachelor to occupy the seat of the Rashtrapati Bhavan. His perspective on important topics have been enunciated by him in the book India 2020. It highlights the action plans that will help develop the country into a knowledge superpower by the time 2020. One thing for which he received ample honor in his ambiguous statement that India needs to play a more assertive role in international relations. While delivering a lecture at the India Institute of Management, Shillong, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam collapsed and died from an apparent cardiac arrest on 27 July 2015, aged 83. স্পিচ দেওয়ার কালে মারা গেছে, চিন্তা করছো? ইনস্টিটিউট অফ ম্যানেজমেন্ট শিলং, ওইখানে উনি লেকচার দেওয়ার সময় মারা গেছে। Born in 1931, died in 2015 from cardiac arrest. The government of India, Dash India, 1981. Event or happening. 1981 আমরা সর্বোচ্চ ডিগ্রিটা পেলাম। Presented him the nation's highest civilian honor. তাহলে আমাদের আনসার হচ্ছে এখানে presented him. Abul Kalam's perspective has been enunciated by him. Where? Answer হলো book. বুকটার নাম হলো ইন্ডিয়া 2020। আর অ্যাচিভমেন্ট বা স্পেশালিটি, ওটার স্পেশালিটি কি? স্পেশালটি হলো highlights the action plans that will help develop the country into a knowledge superpower by the time 2020. Knowledge superpower এতটুকু লিখলে হবে, অথবা একটু ফ্রেজ করে ইন্ডিয়া টু বি নলেজ সুপার পাওয়ার। হি দেশ রাষ্ট্রপতি ভবন took occupied a seat but took his seat, took a seat. Now digital Bangladesh is not merely an ambiguous and glorious idea, rather it is now a reality. Our government has advanced too much extent on the way of digitalizing the country. Now we perform many activities of our daily life through our mobile phone sitting at home, নাকি through internet, computer and mobile phone? দুইটাই হয়, আমাদের পরে পর্যন্ত দেখতে হবে। We pay various bills, deposit money into our bank account through our mobile phone sitting at home. তাহলে ওইটার সাথে 5টাই ছিল। The process of the digitalization is going on and we hope it will flourish in near future, making our life easier and more comfortable. 7 number, rearrangement. Suddenly a fierce bear came there growling and the first friend climbed up a tree without any second thought. Then the bear went away. He asked his friend what the bear had told him. Two friends were passing through a forest. The latter could not climb the tree and lay down on the ground pretending to be dead. The bear smelled his nose, ears, and face, and it considered him to be dead. He said that the bear had told him not to trust a man who leaves his friend in danger. When the danger was over, the first friend came down. আমরা শুরুতেই দিচ্ছি, two friends were passing through a forest. যে গাছে উঠতেছে ওর পা ধরে রাখতাম, দেখতাম কেমনে উঠে আমাকে ফেলে দিই। মরলে দুজনে একসাথে মরবো, বাঁচলে একসাথে বাঁচবো। ফার্স্ট ফ্রেন্ড হইলে ওকে কাঁধে নিয়ে দৌড়াইতাম, মানে ওকে কাঁধে নিয়ে গাছে উঠতাম। পারি না পারি চেষ্টা তো করতাম। অপশন ডি শুরুতে দিলাম, টু ফ্রেন্ডস ওয়ার পাসিং থ্রু আ ফরেস্ট। এরপরে হঠাৎ করে বেয়ারটা চলে আসবে, সাডেনলি আ বেয়ার, fierce bear came there growling and the first friend climbed up a tree without a second thought. The the second friend later could not climb up the tree and lay down on the ground to pretending to be dead. এবার বেয়ারটা কাছে আসবে তার। The bear smelled his nose, ears and face and it considered him to be dead. এইবার the bear went away. তারপরে আসবে দ্বিতীয় বন্ধু নেমে আসবে নাকি? When the danger was over, the first friend came down. এবার জিজ্ঞেস করে যে বেয়ারে কি বলছে। He asked his friend what the bear had told him. He said that the bear had told him not to trust a man who leaves his friend in danger. আচ্ছা, আসলে কি ভাল্লুকে মৃত মানুষ খায় না? বলো, এটা কি ট্রু? কেন খায় না? না খাইলে কেন খায় না? Is it true that bears don't eat dead animals. No, that is not true. Bears are not opportunistic omnivores and will readily eat dead animals known as carrion if they come across them. Dead humans দিতে হবে। It is false that bears never eat dead humans. While not a primary food source, bears are opportunistic omnivores and will scavenge human remains. Although most bear attacks are defensive, grizzlies and polar bears are known to consume human bodies if they are hungry, desperate, or if the food is readily available. Normally, na, right? Opportunistic feeding, species difference, catch behavior, rare behavior. ওকে, তো আজকের ক্লাসটা এখানে শেষ হলো। আজকের পিডিএফটা আমি গ্রুপে দিয়েছি কি? এখানে এই পিডিএফ এর ভিতরেই হোমওয়ার্ক আছে। একদম শুরুতেই গ্রামার পার্টটা দিয়ে আমি হোমওয়ার্ক দিয়েই মডেল কোশ্চেনটা দিয়েছি। এই যে মডেল কোশ্চেনের শেষাংশে আসলাম, তার আগের অংশ দেখাচ্ছি। এই যে গ্রামার দেখো, আমি হোমওয়ার্ক দিয়েই পিডিএফটা শুরু করেছি। সি দ্যাট 1 to 9, ঠিক আছে? কেন নয়, হোমওয়ার্ক কেন নয়? হ্যাঁ, মাঝে মধ্যে আমি হোমওয়ার্ক দিতে ভুলে যাই, তো তাই। আল্লাহ হাফেজ। ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম।